Okay guys, I'm actually freaking out right now. I think I might have just got scammed. Probably not. But I just want to say that I probably just did because, I accidentally traded my tail armor, my, elf tail, and, my, freedom hat, and I, kind of got scared, but I know the username so I can go back and get my items. Oh, frick. Come on, load. Okay, thank you. Go back to Animal Jam. Here. If I get scammed, guys. I did have the footage. My computer died. I just want to get my home. She says no, I'm gonna cry because it took me so long to get the stuff, and like the elf armor you can buy, but I still love it and I don't want to lose it. Like, okay, let's go to this version because. Log in. Computer. Thank you. Okay, I remember the username. I don't want to get scammed. Please don't let me get scammed. Please don't let me get scammed. Please don't let me get scammed. Okay. The name. Okay. Please go back to Please give me my items back. Please. Okay. Please don't scam me. I want my items back. Please don't scam me. My computer died. I'm really so close to crying. Oh my god. That scared me, guys. I actually really love my elf tail. I need to put on one of my animals because, like, I love those items. I do. Let's see if there's an animal. Oh, crashing scary stuff. This is just not weird article. I'm sorting out stuff. That's why it took long. I wasn't here, so I don't know what you're talking about. But I'm going to organize my animal. Let's take this off. So I have some devil eyes. Let's actually have orange eyes. I've never had an animal with orange eyes. This is so weird. Let's not do that. Okay, let's just organize this wolf because I don't like him right now. I don't think he looks cool. This is one of my worst parts about making an animal is I have to create its look, which when I find a look, I like it, and then a few minutes later, I just discard it, and it's so freaking annoying. I hate it. Okay. Alright, this should be good. Oh, that looks exactly like my main character. Come on. Looks exactly like my mascot. I'm not even kidding you guys. Okay, let's do dark and gray, not light gray. Okay, that looks too cheevious. Okay. Gonna look. Yes, I did it. Okay, that looks pretty cool. Okay, let's do. What should we do? Let's do this. No, let's not do that. Yes, let's do that. Just kidding. I don't know what to put as his collar. Maybe that spirit thing. Spirit amulet. Whatever. Let's do the top hat. No, that doesn't look too cool. I have gazelle horns. I have those already. Animals. I the exact same. Okay, let's do a rocker here. Supposedly this might look good. Oh, why did I do that? Why did I do that? Okay, let's just do top hat. I've never done an animal with this top hat. I might as well, like, I don't know what I should put on this top hat. Like, I don't know, maybe this. No, I do that most of my animals. Let's just do that for now. Okay, let's do... Yeah, that's good. And scammer. What was her name? HEWO2? Hey! Dude, what the heck? Okay, so she's a scammer, apparently. I was trying to decorate my animal, now I forgot exactly what he looks like. Frick. Didn't he have, like... Stop locking me out! What? I'm confuzzled. I'm confused. Like, what did I do? I don't know what I did. I wasn't even bothering her. I wasn't even talking to HEWO. Oh, she's a scammer, I can tell that. So go report her and stuff like that, because she obviously is a scammer. Because you wouldn't just lock somebody out at a random... Like, if they did something wrong, then obviously you would lock them out. But if, like for me, example, I wasn't doing anything. I was just in there. I was just waiting. I was just making my animal cute. And then she locks me out. I'm just like, what the heck, child? Are you doing bad things on the internet? Are you not supposed to be on the internet? That probably she is not supposed to be on the internet, but I don't know why she's blocking me out. Maybe she should come to my den and talk to me like a real woman. I don't know what that was. I really don't know. So don't tell me in the comments. Oh, what the heck was that, old boy? So, because I really don't know. Actually, I remembered it. That's impressive for my liking. What the frick you do? What the frick you like you do? What the frick is up, Kyle? What the frick? You better stop. What was the item I got? Elf tail. Okay. Tail. Well, obviously she's a scammer. So I caught a scammer. Yay. Also, guys, shout out to a nice, amazing artist. Gotcha Bunny! She's not been an Animal Jam for like ever, and I need to give her her masterpiece. Which, let me show you her masterpiece, since she made me my mascot's portrait. I made her masterpiece portrait. And it took me like 2 hours, probably like 4 hours to do the entire thing. And that's pretty good because I only use my mouse. And that's pretty good. And then this is one I made in the other video. It's Commander. It's one of my foxes. I have him, but I need Red Rocker. This is him. Wait, where is he? He's right here. And, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go and report HEWO, because HEWO2. I'm recording. You are getting so if you guys do report this jammer, then you guys can get a shout out. If you guys just say your username, I will go to your den and say hi, and then I will leave. And then I don't know, I'm just trying to be a good jammer. But let's go ahead and see our YouTube. Actually, no. I don't have any subscribers but 2, so that's kind of sad, honestly. Because I'm trying my best to provide videos, and I'm not getting any requests. So, yeah. I'm trying my best to get a good YouTube channel and version and stuff. Let's do 12, 61899. Okay, this isn't me. I literally have 2 subscribers. That is sad for me because I'm like, I'm trying. 2 subscribers? 2. Okay. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you next time.